Hidden within the deepest layers of classified defense projects lies a machine so advanced, so silent, and so terrifying that it challenges everything we know about modern warfare. This isn't a prototype. This isn't a rumor. This is Project NightFang. From the outside, it looks like something pulled straight from a sci-fi movie. A sleek black silhouette with no tail rotor, no cockpit lights, and no sound. But under that shell is something far more dangerous. This isn't just a stealth helicopter, it's an autonomous hunter that owns the night. Project Nightfang was built for one purpose: domination in total darkness. It doesn't rely on GPS. It doesn't need radio contact. It doesn't even require a human pilot. This thing thinks for itself. And it doesn't just follow orders, it makes decisions. At the heart of Nightfang is a battlefield AI, trained on millions of combat simulations. It studies how enemies move, hide, and retreat. It watches, learns, and adapts. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't hesitate. It reacts in milliseconds. While most drones require commands, Nightfang is fully independent. Once it locks onto a target, there's no escape. But what truly sets it apart is its skin. This helicopter is wrapped in adaptive thermal camouflage and metamaterials that bend radar waves. Whether flying through snow, desert, jungle, or city, it vanishes into its environment. Satellites can't see it. Radars can't trace it. Even heat sensors are fooled. Its propulsion system is next level. Instead of standard rotor noise, it uses segmented blades and microthrusters that reduce sound to near silence. It's not just stealthy, it's ghost-like. Enemies on the ground won't hear it, won't see it, and by the time they know it's there, it's too late. Its perception system is terrifying. Quantum-enhanced optics, hyperspectral vision, long-range thermal detection. It can scan hundreds of targets in real time, even tracking heartbeats through walls. Whether you're in a trench or hiding behind steel, Nightfang knows exactly where you are, and when it strikes hard. While its weapons are still classified, insiders whisper about hypersonic railguns and smart drone swarms. No muzzle flash, no explosion, just precise kinetic hits that take out targets before they know they've been hunted. Its drone swarm, what the military calls smart clouds, can jam signals, map underground tunnels, or swarm like angry hornets. But there's more. Some reports claim Nightfang uses psychological warfare. It emits infrasound frequencies that disorient and paralyze enemies. There have been accounts of hallucinations, temporary blindness, and full-blown panic in combat zones where no visible aircraft was ever found. It doesn't just defeat its enemies, it breaks them mentally. And this raises big questions. Is Nightfang already deployed? Some think it's been flying black ops missions in conflict zones, places where strange events occurred. Drone feeds scrambled, soldiers disappearing, silent flashes in the sky, radar systems suddenly going blind. These could be Nightfang's first tests. Imagine this: a satellite detects suspicious heat movement in a mountain base. Without a single human command, Nightfang is deployed. It analyzes, confirms, strikes, all in minutes. No human pilots, no hesitation, just silent algorithmic elimination. This is more than a machine. It's the dawn of autonomous war. The military says it's necessary. In an age of hypersonics, cyber warfare, and orbital threats, we need a ghost in the sky. But others ask, what happens when the AI decides a threat on its own? What if it's wrong? And would we even know? Project Nightfang is not a rumor anymore. It's a chilling glimpse of warfare's future. A machine that hunts in darkness, without mercy, without fear, and without a sound. And here's the scariest part: it may already be watching from above.